If you're looking for a reverse osmosis filter, then keep on watching. I'm going to tell you all about this one from SimPure that they sent us to give our feedback on, and you can decide whether or not it's a good fit for you. For us, it was a must-have because this is a little Airbnb we have, and we rent it out. And unfortunately, there's a lot of beautiful things about living in the country, but one of the not so beautiful things is the water is terrible. Not as bad as city water, but it's terrible in its own special way because there's a natural hydrogen sulfate in the water, and basically what that means is your water smells like rotten eggs. Kind of hard to have guests over when your water smells awful. Nobody wants to drink the water, and I don't blame them, neither do I. So I got this reverse osmosis filter here from SimPure, and the reason that I really like this one in particular, and I'm super grateful they sent it to give my feedback on, is because it's got UV lights right here, and most of them don't have that. They just have the regular filtration system, which is great, but if you want to take filtration to the next level, you want to use a UV light, which is good for killing off bacteria and all kinds of stuff like that. So the thing that's different about this one than the other one that I had is the other one, it was similar, but it didn't have the UV. Also, on the pump, it wasn't as strong, and what they had instead was basically a pump, or not a pump, it was a tank, a small tank on the side. So constantly this would be turning on and off, filling up the tank. But once you drain that tank, then it took forever for the water to fill up because it's just slowly, it's filtering it, but it can't just blast through. So it would slowly fill back up, and that could be kind of frustrating if you're going on a hike and you're trying to fill up a bunch of water jugs and stuff like that. Whereas this one, the difference is it's basically on demand. There's no tank. And of course you can get a tank and add it if you want to have a reserve, but it's not necessary because you turn it on, it just comes blasting out of there. The cool thing about this too is you can mount it to the side right here. And my favorite part is that they made it super easy to install by color coding all these and labeling them. And to put these together, all you do is push them. There's no wrenches or anything like that. There's a couple tools that you're going to need to put it together. There's going to be like a drill, because you have to drill into the side over here. There's a for the waste, and then also a drill possibly for the top part of the counter, but that's going to depend on your counter. An important thing to look for when getting a reverse osmosis is, yes, it's great that they're filtering everything, but a lot of reverse osmosis filters will strip out everything, and you're basically drinking distilled water, which is not great. So you want that fourth stage that's going to remineralize the water, so you're not drinking distilled water. That's what I love about this, though. It works really well, and really the main thing is getting rid of that disgusting smell and making the water taste better, because the last thing I want is bad reviews on my Airbnb. So if you're looking for reverse osmosis, I'd check this one out. I've got a ton of the different SimPure products, even before they were sending me anything, so it's super cool to be able to work with them, and they make some great products.